Hello student, we are taking fifth lecture on hydrocarbon, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Many organic compounds obtained from the natural sources like resin, then balsams, oil of wintergreen, possessing a pleasant fragrance, aroma means a smell, are named on the aromatic compound. Aromatic hydrocarbon, also called as arenes, contain only carbon and hydrogen. Benzene is the simplest aromatic compound. Now benzene and oil compounds, or benzene and all compounds that have the structure and chemical properties resembling benzene are classified as aromatic compound. And first member is the benzene. They having a hexagonal structure as like this, but they are bonded alternately, double bond, single bond, then double bond, single bond, and a double bond. This is the benzene. Then after benzene, another structure, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond with CH3 group, that is a toluene or methyl benzene. If this benzene are connected or attached a bromine, that is the bromobenzene. Similarly, they are bonded with OH, that is a phenol. If they are bonded with double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond with another structure like one benzene, as like this. So that is the naphthalene. If another one benzene ring, that is anthracene. So these are some structure of aromatic hydrocarbons. So first, benzene. Now the molecular formula of benzene is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atom. That's why C6H6 is the molecular formula of a benzene. Benzene is the parent compound of all the aromatic compounds, that is coal tar and petroleum are the two large scale sources of benzene. And aromatic compounds like toluene, phenol, naphthalene. Colorless liquid, characteristic odor, boiling point 353 Kelvin. It was synthesized by Berthelot in 1870 from acetylene. When 3 molecules of acetylene, they trimerize and it gives a corresponding benzene. So benzene was originally called as phen, and they having a phenyl group like C6H5. That is the phenyl group. Then difference between aromatic and aliphatic hydrocarbon. Before that, the aromatic compounds contain a planar cyclic ring. Aroma, that is the pleasant smell. Not all compounds, those resemblance benzene, have a pleasant odor or smell. Many compounds having a pleasant odor do not resemblance a benzene. For example, anthracene. Anthracene structure are 1, then 2, then 3. Here double bond, single bond, double bond, double bond, then double bond, double bond, double bond, and double bond. So anthracene is the colorless liquid. Similarly, the methyl acetate having the formula CH3, then COO CH3. This methyl acetate as well as ethyl acetate, if C2H5 is here, then chloroform CHCl3. So these are some compounds, but they do not have a benzene or aromatic hydrocarbon. This methyl acetate, ethyl acetate, chloroform, they having a pleasant odor or smell, but they are not a aromatic compounds. Now, difference between aromatic compound and aliphatic compound. Aromatic and aliphatic compounds. A difference between aromatic and aliphatic compounds. So first, aromatic compound. First difference. Aromatic compound contain higher percentage of carbon atom. Then aliphatic compound having lower percentage of carbon atom. For example, here C6H6, they having lower percentage of carbon atom, higher percentage of carbon atom. Then hexane C6H12, they having lower percentage of carbon atom as compared to hydrogen atom. Second one, they burns with sooty flame, and aliphatic compound, they do not burn with sooty flame, they burns with a non-sooty flame. Now, third difference, they are cyclic compounds with alternate single and double bond. In aliphatic compound, they are open chain compounds. Now, next difference, they are not attacked by normal oxidizing and reducing agent, but aliphatic compound attacked by oxidizing and reducing agent. Now, next difference, they do not undergo addition reaction easily. They do not decolorize dilute alkaline aqueous KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, and bromine in carbon tetrachloride. Though double bonds appear in their structure, but unsaturated aliphatic compounds undergo addition reaction easily. They decolorize dilute aqueous solution of KMnO4 and Br2 in carbon tetrachloride. Next one, they prefer substitution reaction. They prefer substitution as well as addition reaction. The saturated aliphatic compound gives substitution reaction, and unsaturated compound give addition reaction. So these are some difference between aromatic and aliphatic hydrocarbon. Now, next point, structure of benzene. Now, molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. They having high degree of unsaturation. Open chain structure not possible. Open chain or cyclic structure having a double and triple bonds can be written for C6H6, but benzene does not behave like alkene or alkyne. Benzene cannot have the open chain structure. Reaction with dilute alkaline KMnO4, decoloration of KMnO4 in alkene, but benzene no decoloration. Then with Br2 in CCl4, decoloration of red brown color in alkene, with bromine no decoloration. With H2O in acidic medium, addition of H2O molecule, no reaction. So benzene yields only one and one, no isomeric monosubstituted bromobenzene. when treated with equimolar bromine in FeBr3. All the 6 hydrogen atoms in benzene are identical. The reaction should be C6H6 plus Br2. They gives a corresponding in presence of FeBr3 to form C6H5Br, that is the bromobenzene. Similarly, reaction with hydrogen, or this is possible only if benzene has cyclic structure of 6 carbon atom bound to 1 hydrogen atom each. Then the benzene on catalytic hydrogenation give a cyclohexane also. C6H6, these are treated with H2 in presence of catalyst like nickel, and after addition of this it gives C6H12, that is cyclohexane. Name of this compound bromobenzene and cyclohexane. Now this confirms the cyclic structure of benzene and 3 carbon double bond in it. After this reaction, next point, Kekulé structure of a benzene. Now, Auguste Kekulé in 1865 suggested the structure for benzene having a cyclic planar ring of the 6 carbon atoms with alternate single and double bond and hydrogen atom attached to each carbon atom. So structure of benzene: 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, then 4 carbon, 5th carbon and 6 carbon atom. Each carbon atom are bonded with alternate double bond, then single bond, double bond, then single bond, double bond, then single bond with 1 hydrogen atom each, that is C6H6, as like this. Or it can be written in the form of hexagonal ring with double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond and double bond. If they are treated with benzene or bromine and it gives a 2 structure. However, benzene was found to form only 1 orthodisubstituted a benzene. This problem was overcome the Kekulé by suggesting that the concept oscillating nature of double bonds in benzene as given. So, if they combines with bromine and it gives the structure as like this, orthodisubstituted benzene. Here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond and double bond with Br and Br. So another structure he decided, resonance structure of this. This double bond here, that's why double bond and a double bond. Even with this modification, Kekulé structure of benzene gives the actual molecule is more stable than any of its resonance structure. For benzene, the stability due to resonance is so high that p bonds the molecule resist the breaking and lack of the reactivity of benzene towards addition. So after this structure, he gives the structure as like or as like this resonance hybrid of this carbon atom. Then structure of benzene, it gives a sigma bond between each carbon atom with overlapping between carbon having 4 unpaired electron. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, as well as 5th carbon and 6th carbon atom. Each are bonded with a single bond first, as like this. Then they are bonded with hydrogen to form a sigma bond between them. Axial overlapping between unpaired electron of 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen atom to form sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond and sigma bond. Similarly, this orbital should be written as like this. Then they can be overlap between them and to form a overlapping structure as like this: 1 carbon, 2 carbon, then 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5th carbon and 6 carbon atom. Same structure. As like this. Similarly, after overlapping between them, this carbon should be written, or it is not necessary to write. Each corner consider a carbon atom. So they overlap them as like or it can be written in the form of internal structure also. They overlapping between them as like this, or it should be written in the form of this: 1, then 2, then 3. So this is the representative pi molecular orbital in a benzene. After this, it can be written in the form of pi molecular orbital. Hexagonal ring with their bonded double bond. And like this. So this is the structure of a benzene. Now aromatic character using a Huckel rule. Aromatic character. According to the Huckel rule, benzene undergoes substitution reaction rather than the addition reaction. This property of aromatic compounds, aromaticity or aromatic character. Aromaticity is due to the extensive cyclic delocalization of p electron in planar ring structure. The following three rules of aromaticity are useful in the predicting whether a particular compound is aromatic or not aromatic. First, aromatic compounds are cyclic and planar structure. All atoms in the ring are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Each aromatic ring has the p orbital. The p orbital must be parallel so that the continuous overlap is possible around the ring. Huckel rule: the cyclic p molecular orbital formed by the overlap of p orbital must contain the 4n plus 2 p electrons. 4n plus 2 p electrons, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Using this Huckel rule, this cyclic p molecular orbital formed by overlap of p orbital must contain this 4n plus 2p electron, where n is the 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So the structure is a benzene, hexagonal structure, alternate double and single a bond. So first benzene, it is the cyclic and planar. It has 3 double bonds and 6 p electron. It has a p orbital on each carbon atom of the hexagonal ring. Hence, continuous overlap above and below the ring is possible. This compound is aromatic. 4n plus 2 number of p electrons. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. That means 4n is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, or n is equal to 4 by 4, that means 1. Here n comes out to be an integer, hence benzene is aromatic compound. Using this formula here, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Then 4n is equal to 6 minus 2. Then 4n is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So n is the integer, hence benzene is aromatic compounds. And that structure should be this benzene or naphthalene also. Benzene or naphthalene if double bond. Similarly, the structure should be written in the form of hexagonal structure as like this. A dumbbell shaped, each having a single electron. Now this is the benzene. Second one, naphthalene. And structure of naphthalene is two benzene ring. Now it is a cyclic planar. It has 5 double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. and 10p electron. 5 into each bond is nothing but a pair of electrons. That's why 10p electron. It has p orbital on each carbon atom on the ring. Hence, continuous overlap around the ring is possible. This is accordance with the Huckel rule. Now, in this case, 4n plus 2 is equal to number of p electrons. This p electron is how much? 5 into 2, 10. That's why 4n plus 2 is equal to 10. Then 4n is equal to 10 minus 2. 4n is equal to 8. n is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 2. Here n comes out to be an integer, hence naphthalene is also aromatic compound. Now, after naphthalene, next structure cycloheptatriene. Cycloheptatriene. That structure should be one corner, 2, 3, seven ring structure. They having double bond, single bond, then double bond, single bond, and double bond. But it having no double bond. This carbon is sp3 hybrid carbon atom, and other all carbon atom are sp2 hybrid or hybridized carbon atom. It has 3 double bonds and 6p electron. 3 bond means 6 electron. But one of the carbon atom is saturated sp3 hybrid carbon atom or hybridized carbon atom and does not possess a p orbital. Hence, continuous overlap around the ring is not possible. So, it is not aromatic compounds. It is aromatic compound. It is also aromatic compound. Now, next one, pyridine. Next, pyridine. Pyridine is the 3 double bonds and 6p electron. The 6p orbital containing the 6 electron from the delocalized p molecular orbital. The unused sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen containing 2 non-bonding electron is as it is 4n plus 2 is equal to number of p electrons. Similarly, this 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. 4n is equal to 6 minus 2. n is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Hence, n comes out to be integer. Hence, pyridine is aromatic compound. And structure of pyridine is as like this. N. One is the non-carbon, that is N. Another are a carbon. And N having a lone pair of electron. These are a pair of electron. One is the non-bonding pair of electron. In this case, it is also aromatic. Now, preparation of aromatic compounds. Preparation of aromatic compounds. First, industrial source of aromatic compounds. Coal tar and petroleum are the major source of aromatic compounds. Coal tar and petroleum. So, next point, preparation of aromatic compounds. A is the industrial sources. Industrial sources is the coal tar and petroleum are the major sources. Then B, methods of preparation of a benzene. First, from ethane. It is prepared first benzene from ethane by Breathlot. So, trimerization process. Alkyne when passed through a red hot iron tube at about 873 Kelvin. Polymerized to form aromatic hydrocarbons. Ethane when passed through a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin undergoes trimerization to form a benzene. In this case, 3 molecules of acetylene one, two, and 3. After that, these bonds are attached here. These bonds are attached here. Then these bonds are attached here. They trimerize in presence of red hot iron tube at about 873 Kelvin. They trimerize, it gives a corresponding benzene. Now, second method, from sodium benzoate. From sodium benzoate. This method is the by decarboxylation. When anhydrous sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, it gives a benzene. Sodium benzoate having the formula, this is the benzene with COO Na. Here single bond CONA, or it can be written as like this. CONA. This sodium benzoate are treated with soda lime is the mixture of NaOH and CaO. They are heated together and to form a corresponding benzene plus Na2CO3. So it is called a decarboxylation. Carbonate compounds are removed in the form of sodium carbonate. Sodium benzoate and here benzene. Now, third method, preparation of benzene from phenol. from phenol. By reduction, reduction means addition of hydrogen. When vapors of phenol are passed over heated zinc dust, it gives a corresponding a benzene. In this case, when this phenol are treated with a zinc dust, they are heated together and it gives a benzene plus ZnO. So these are some methods used for preparation of a benzene. And next point, physical properties of a benzene. When benzene is a colorless liquid, its boiling point is about 353 Kelvin and melting point is 278.5 Kelvin. It is insoluble in water and it forms upper layer when mixed with water. It is soluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. Benzene vapors are highly toxic, which on inhalation lead to unconsciousness. So these are some properties of benzene. Listen again once. First one, benzene is colorless liquid. Second one, boiling point of benzene is 353 Kelvin and melting point is 278.5 Kelvin. Third one, generally it is insoluble in water and it forms upper layer when mixed with water. It is soluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. Benzene vapors are highly toxic, which on inhalation lead to unconsciousness. So these are some